Welcome to Abington Presbyterian Church. My name is Shawn, Thornton, an account manager here at Haverford Systems, a local AV integrator that recently upgraded their system to 2-camera live streaming with PTZOptics cameras. Founded in 1714, Abington Presbyterian is the third oldest Presbyterian church in PA. Recently, they were looking to take their recording services to the next level. Like many houses of worship, they're looking for new and effective ways to connect to their community. We conducted a site survey looking at their pre-existing system, their current network, and current camera locations. For this made integration pretty seamless as there was already pre-existing cable pathways. Abington Presbyterian decided to go with an SDI system for their 2 cameras. This included us providing monitors, an audio interface, a joystick, as well as any additional cable management. The user here did provide the PC themselves, but in many cases we provide the PC. There was a pre-existing audio system which then we needed to convert to the new system. For this, we used a digital audio interface. This specific model that was used in this solution was a Focusrite Scarlett. There was a desire to maintain the 2 camera locations but make them more PTZ functional, as well as integrate live streaming. There was current recording services but really wasn't able to connect to their community in an effective way. This is where we introduced vMix. This is a live streaming software that we highly recommend and even use in our streaming division of our own. For this solution, we provided 2 monitors, as this makes more of a seamless integration when it comes to viewing vMix on the left monitor and using the right monitor as a free-flowing desktop or to bring in another program. My name is Shawn Thornton, an account manager here at Haverford Systems, and we recently upgraded a 2-camera system here at Abington Presbyterian Church with PTZOptics cameras. For more information, please reach out to me directly at shawn.thornton@haverford.com or please visit our website at haverford.com. Thank you.